talking about leadership, culture, and human side of tech as well. Having worked with diverse teams from shop floor to corporate HQ, how do you create a learning culture that connects everyone regardless of role or hierarchy? So I think pretty much what you've spoken of fills up as a response to this.
But okay, so again, I'll go back to cricket.
Right.
Okay. Now, so if maybe I've got a young kid, okay,
right,
and this kid wants to become a batsman,
right,
and if he wants to become a batsman, he is going to emulate someone like, say, a Sachin Tendulkar. He's going to emulate someone like a Virat Kohli. Okay.
Right.
Why? Because he knows they're the best in the business.
Best,
They're absolutely the best in the business. Okay.
Right.
And of course, that's how they do it. I'm sure the same thing happens in organizations as well. Okay. So the concept I'm trying to talk about is modeling. If we have strong role models inside the organization, okay, if the role models, if their leadership is really able to walk the talk,
right,
is really able to see to it that the learning is not just a fancy word, okay, it's actually a part of the organization's DNA, and they see to it that they are also the brand ambassadors, okay, of the various programs or the initiatives. Then we realize that yes, that culture is built around learning, which is very important. I remember I have been a part of organizations where the leaders actually volunteered that they want to do podcasts. They want to share their experiences, that how learning has actually made them who they are today. And I mean, as human beings, we all look up to people who are actually there, because it creates that image, it creates that dream inside of us that, okay, maybe if that guy can be there, I can also be there.
True.
So I mean, that's exactly what life is all about.
Very true. Yeah, and it does create a lot of impression. A lot of people look up to it.
Absolutely.
There's a lot of I think employee-employer relationship getting stronger, and retention, and so many benefits.
And we also should not forget the fact Indian organizations, even today, they're very top-down in nature.
Right.
And so no matter how good you are, okay, so if the leadership, of course, is not in sync, it doesn't have a buy-in, it becomes very difficult.
Yeah, the whole entire hierarchy is disrupted.
Correct. So it's important for that culture to be built in. We need to have that models, and not have models restricted only to the top tier. Even you can have models, even your peers could be your role models as well.
True.
And I think the biggest reason, Roshan, that I'm still in this domain, the training and development industry, and I'm saying this from the bottom of my heart, is because when today I look at my phone, and there are so many people who actually say to me that, Ayush, because of you, I've probably been able to do something, okay, you probably motivated me to do it. I think it's beyond any reward, any recognition, any adulation that probably I got. It's absolutely cannot be described in words. Because that satisfaction we get is amazing.
Yeah, you can't compare that.
Absolutely, it cannot be.
True. So, like you mentioned, Indian organizations are top down, right? Yeah. That's the reality of it. So how do leaders need to change their approach to coaching and mentoring in this AI-led era?
Well, coaching, we need to understand its overall objective is that it's done for the leaders primarily.
Right.
Okay. Right. And it's important that the leaders are able to see things probably they could not see earlier. They're able to channelize their inner thoughts towards those dimensions. Maybe they could not do it earlier. And that's why when you actually speak to some of the best coaches in the world, they don't go bang, 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 bang and talk. Okay, okay, the way I'm doing right now, right? But
no, you're meant to.
Yeah, thank you. Okay, so what they try to do is they try to listen. They try to step inside your personality. They try to listen to your soul. They try to understand what are the reasons, perhaps, which are stopping you from becoming the true leader you can become.
Right.
Now, AI cannot do that.
Absolutely.
AI cannot do that, okay? So, what I want to say is that the leaders, when they approach coaching and mentoring, so the coaches should not focus on the mundane or the run-of-the-mill sort of things, okay? they should really focus on the human angle, on the human aspect to it. Okay, and that is really going to define the coaching industry in future, because it's really not going to be about what you think should be done right. Okay, what the trends are telling me what to be done right. Okay, it is about you letting my inner champion, probably which is has not even realized what it's capable of. You need to awaken that champion, and make me realize that fine, this is what I need to be doing. That these are the decisions which I need to be taking. And I think AI cannot do that. Leaders as coaches should focus on that.
Absolutely.
Because someone's loss is someone else's gain.
True. Yeah, and you're absolutely right, because the change has to start at the root.
Yes, absolutely. I strongly believe that if you focus on the basics, things are taken care of. We live in a world where you have those big lines. You live in a world where people use those crazy and fancy words. And I would like to say this: we have this notion at the back of mind that जो नहीं समझ आता है वो बहुत अच्छा लगता है. So it goes with technology as well. So it's like that. Okay, जो बोला समझ नहीं आया, but अच्छा लगा, शायद बहुत अच्छा काम कर सकता है. So it goes with AI as well. So I go and speak to a lot of veterans. I attend a lot of events, and I listen to speakers, and they have those great ideas. There's no doubt about that. But the problem is that the lack of technology is not a problem. Are we ready for it?
That's the million-dollar question.
Is our mindset ready for it? And the minds and the organizations I just talked about earlier, they are legacy organizations. But the legacy is not defined, in your technology. Legacy is defined basis how you think.
True.
True. So, and I think that if we can change our mindset, if we can change our basics, then things move forward.
True. So, Ayush, tell us about what's the one leadership or learning philosophy that you personally live by?
Always keep your ears and eyes open. Always see that what's working for you, what's not working for you. No rocket science, no crazy stuff. Simple. Keep your eyes and ears open. If you think that, fine, my goal is that, I want to do X, I need to keep my eyes and ears open and see to it that, what I should be doing in order to reach my ultimate goal. Never be satisfied. And this is something which actually has made a lot of difference to me. Learning, see, Roshan, it's a journey. It cannot be say you probably undergo one course and then learning stops. You learn from any and everyone.
True.
So this is something which guides me. I try to keep my eyes and ears open. I'm a lazy guy, but I definitely try to see to it that I keep my eyes and ears open. I see to it that learning is a part of my life. It's something which defines me, and it's an ongoing stuff.
Absolutely true. Well, Ayush, thank you so much for shedding light on so many things, especially the AI front, because like you mentioned, and so many great insights that AI is there. It's inevitable.
Absolutely.
How you work around it is, and how you use it, how you collaborate it with it rather than compete with it. I think that's the way forward.
True.
So thank you for sharing so many insights. On a concluding note, I do have a rapid fire round for you. So the first thought that comes to your mind, right, to the questions I have. Starting off.
How much time can I take?
5 seconds.
Okay, cool. That's it. Thank you.
Great. One L&D myth you'd love to bust.
I already took 3. One L&D myth I would like to bust is it's L&D is all about an instructor-led program where you just come over, deliver a program, people just appreciate you, they go gaga over your performance, and then done. Because I suffered from that myth. In the initial stages of my career, I suffered from that myth. I realized the hard way that it's not. It's not.
True. Your favorite AI tool or platform for learning?
Well, there are a lot of platforms that I have experienced in the past, but there's one which comes to my mind, and that is Disperse. Disperse. So this platform is actually allows us to Focus on the elements of adaptive learning, create those personalized journeys. I like the overall look and feel of it, and I think that it brings a lot of impact.
Interesting. A book, podcast, or mentor who changed your perspective?
I have been a huge admirer of Tony Robbins.
Tony Robbins, yes.
Who is considered as one of the best speakers in the world.
Right.
There's a book that I read, The Unlimited Power. So it actually gave me, I think it was a turning point because it really changed the way how I think. It actually made me a stronger individual. It allowed me to see things which I probably didn't earlier. So I think it's a straightforward answer for me. Unlimited Power, Tony Robbins.
Books have that power, definitely.
Absolutely.
Great. Now, if not your career in L&D, what would you have been?
If not an L&D expert, if not an L&D guy, I would have become a radio jockey.
Interesting. You are a good speaker, that's for sure.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, and it suits you as well, I think.
Okay. Yeah.
You should try that. Or maybe start a L&D radio
too
channel.
Old for it. I think become too old for it. Maybe I can, let's see, but become too old for it, I think.
True. Yeah. Okay. Last one. One line that defines your vision for the future of learning.
You need to embrace change. Change is automatic. Progress is not.
Right.
So when you look at learning, a lot of things will change around you, but it does not mean that it is actually making you move forward. Okay. So if you really want to see to it, look at things which are actually making a difference.
Right.
That moves you forward. Again, keep your eyes and ears open.
Right. Interesting. Well, Ayush, I think a great conversation.
Thank you so much.
So many myths busted.
Yes.
So many perspectives shared. Thank you. We're glad you spared time for this podcast.
The pleasure is likewise, and I think it was a great conversation. And I really believe that this interaction is going to motivate a lot of people.
Absolutely.
And so thank you so much for having me over here. It was definitely a good time. Thank you.